Um, okay, so that sounds like something I might be interested in.
Okay, this is Paravi and Mr. Imran and me. We are teammate and we do digital marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, and YouTube marketing related work. So, our team member recently audited your YouTube channel. Your content is so nice, and you are creating amazing content, and your thumbnail quality is also good. But you have some SEO issues. SEO means search engine optimizations. So if you can fix the SEO issue, then definitely your channel possible to grow. So if you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
Um, okay, so that sounds like something I might be interested in. How does it work in terms of working together?
Okay. So at first, uh, our client satisfaction is our first priority because we are a freelancer. This is our professions. So if we provide you the better service and if we can grow your channel, if we can satisfy you, then you will hire us again and again. We believe that. So basically, we will fix your on-page problem, on-page SEO problem. And for this problem, we have two packages. One is a starter and another is a standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video SEO optimizations and promotions, and it costs 120 USD and it takes 7 days to deliver the work.
Okay.
And another one is a standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video SEO optimizations, including promotions, and it costs $300 and it takes 30 days to deliver the work.
Okay.
So it's your choice which package you want to start with.
So 10 videos. Okay, so just to back up a tiny bit, for me, I've been a little like I was publishing a lot of videos, I don't know, 4 years ago or so. And then I took a little break because I went back to grad school and got very busy. And I'm a therapist. So I was opening my own practice and doing a lot of other things. So it's really just in the last month or so that I've decided that I'm going to start doing more videos, and trying to at least do one a week, maybe two, a week. So I don't have a lot of brand new content up there right now. Um,
Okay, I see.
and,
So no
and
problem.
so maybe, yeah,
No
maybe
problem.
something that I want to do soon, but maybe not like right now.
Okay, so you upload the content, no problem, and we can do both of your videos. You uploaded videos. I mean, your older video, your upcoming videos, both type of videos we can do SEO. So I am telling everything about our services. Then you can decide, no problem. We have two method to start the work. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize everything from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your video links which video you want to do SEO, then we will optimize from our side and make a report sheet, then we will hand over to you, then you just implement to your videos by yourself. And our when you hire us, you can pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we have Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. But if you do not know how to send money through this payment gateway, no problem, our team member will guide you. But I have a best suggestion for you. You just start with at least our starter package, I mean 10 videos, and judge our work. And if you satisfied, then you can go for the monthly one, and I assure you that you will get good result.
Okay. I'm up for trying that. I'm up for trying a starter pack. Um, and so would I be working with Imran or working with one of your freelance, different freelancers?
Your contact person would be Imran, and Imran is very skilled guy, and Imran will communicate with you for further any queries, and he will also guide you what should improve on your channel, how to make attractive thumbnail, and he will also research your competitor, and overall he will guide you.
Okay, that sounds great.
Okay, so after finishing the meeting, our team member will send you an email. Then you just take decisions and let us know. Then it would be very pleasure for us if we can work with you.
Okay, that would be great. So
Okay.
just so I'm clear, um, I would pay half of the amount up front and through either Western Union or Payoneer, which
Yeah.
I've never heard of, but I'm sure it's similar to some of the
Yeah.
other pay platforms.
Yeah.
And then work with Imran to implement, and then pay the final half of it after it's done.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
that makes,
So thanks for your time. Hope to work with you again and again. And bye for now.
okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank you.